Hello guys, today we have come at Mobor Beach, South Goa. So today I'm going to show you how this beach looks. It's a very nice beach. Hotel Leela is over here. Hotel Leela is a 5-star hotel. So I'll show you the entire beach. So it's a very nice beach. You can have a look at it. See, that is Hotel Leela. So this is one jet boat kept over here. You can take these boats on rent, and that the entire campus, which you can see some shacks and some white umbrella and beach beds, that is Hotel Leela. So now some people are doing parasailing over there up on in the sky. You can see the parachute. They are doing parasailing with the help of a speedboat. I'll show you. This is the entire beach. I'll give you a walk around of the beach right now. You can see the beach. You can see how it is done. It is attached to a boat, speedboat, with the help of a rope, and then the boat pulls this parachute, and it goes up in the sky. That is how it is done. It's a nice beach. This beach is called Mobor Beach. It's next to Betul Beach. At a distance you can see a boat is kept over there. That is Betul Beach. Very few people are over here. Only some Indian people are there. These are the shacks and beach beds. The beach is good. The beach is very nice. It's a clean beach. It's just like like Palalim Beach, but water is deep. But you can have any sports, water sports activity if you want to have. You can have it over here. In Palalim Beach, there is no water sports activity. Here you can see jet ski, banana ride, parasailing. Everything is there over here. You can do all these sports activities. Charges are different. Like for the banana ride, they take around 300, and charges is between 200 to 900. Depends upon which spot you choose. So it's like that. This is the beach shack. This beach is massive, massive like Calangud, Baga and Kandalin. But those those beaches are very crowded, and this beach is isolated. Very few people are there on the beach. Climate is good. Right now it's 12 o'clock. But climate is good. It's not too hot. Climate is good. If you are staying at Gonda or Palolem, you can take a bike on rent and you can come over here for picnic or swimming. You can come over here. You can see lifeguard is also over here. These are some of the shacks. This is a speedboat. These are available on rent. They take I think 500 rupees. And you can take these boats, speedboats. And this is the banana ride. They take around 300 to 500 rupees for a ride. If you are coming with a group, then this is good. Fun activity, banana ride. This is nice. It's a nice beach. Best thing is dustbin are kept over there on the entire beach. You can find dustbins. So that's why beach is very clean, neat and clean. So whenever you go to any beach now, don't throw any trash over there. Put it in the dustbin. If you don't find any dustbin, take it away with you to your home and then put it in your dustbin at home. But don't throw garbage on the beach. Should keep such natural places clean, neat and clean, just like we keep our homes clean. A very nice place. Very nice beach. Water is very clean. Water is not murky over here. Water is clean. can see people are doing parasailing over there. See that speedboat is pulling the parachute up. See that speedboat is pulling the parachute.